Oh, that feels good. Oh, missed.
And stay down.
Some adrenaline. Need to find some more of them simulacrums. Oh, hey, friend. Ah, missed. Die. Oh, hi. I see you.
Running low!
What? How did that... That did no damage to you? How did that do no damage to you? Hey. Bye.
Summoner. Watch my back.
Switch to my Spitfire, please. Excuse you. I said I wanted to switch to my Spitfire, please. Thank you. Hey, some forged iron. Now we're talking. Now we are talking. Not sure about water on which language, but yeah, at least something we can say.
Cover me.
Alley-oop. Great. Glad I did that. Hey, friend. Make sure there's no simulacrum. Oh, big dude! You gonna shoot that at me? Yeah, he is. Stop throwing your staff seeds at me. My goodness, man. Oh, I know this one. Can I unlock this? Come on. Is there a way to unlock this fence? No? Guess not. There's a way to jump back over if I wanted to. Hey, watch it! I'm exploring here! Rude! How would you feel if I just ran up to you and started shooting at you while you were looking at the scenery? You probably wouldn't like it very much. So angry now, I'm gonna shoot your friend. Ooh, there's another one. Hey, oh, no, that's right. Oh, that wasn't friend. Oh, you're over there. Can I go in here? No? Hey, big guy. Oh, it's him! Oh, no! That one him. Oh, hi! Didn't even see you there for a second. now I won't see you ever again.
Whew, that was rough.
Man, I really wish I had someone to clip all of these one-liners. I feel like they're pretty good. I feel so invincible with mod gear, I forget to heal sometimes. Oh, that looks like death. Did you want to clean up the tree? Oh, I can! Huh, okay. So what about that? Oh, hey, I know where we are. I did this in a once. The random dungeons. The random dungeons. Why are you pointing that way? There's nothing over here. I feel lied to. Oh, there. Hey, friends.
Stay down!
Missed all of those bullets. Hey, no one said you could leave. More stuff? Doesn't look like there's anything here. Oh, hey! You scared me! Got spooked there for a second. My goodness. That was a good one. I approve. Doesn't look like there's anything in here. Why am I searching all these buildings? Oh, look! There's something here! I take back everything I said. What is this? Band of Pollux. Increases melee damage, but reduces range damage. Ew. While wearing the Band of the Caster, melee damage is increases crit chance. Gain an additional 10% after slaying an enemy. Eh. I'm not really feeling any of those. Yep. Ooh, don't want that.
Crap!
Stop that,
Stay
sir.
down!
Get out.
That's all you got!
Sit down. Whoops. Sit down. Why? I am out of roulettes. That didn't hit at all. Hey. Eat that. Ah, more ammo. Better. Feeling better with some more ammo. Got a little nervous there. Go ahead and scoot around this truck. There we go. Yep. simulacrum. Nope. And go over here. Ooh! That looks like something. Another tome of knowledge! Don't mind if I do. Oh, thank you for the heal. 3 points! More health, thank you. Drink a soda, feeling better. Drink some water, feeling better. Remember, stay hydrated. Everyone drink some water. Take a little sip, get some more ammo.
Wiggle, wiggle, wiggle.
Hey, Wiggles! Oh, thank you so much, Chestnut, for the follow. Wiggle on in that chair. Enjoy the stream. Thank you for stopping by. Remember, the Wiggles might be free, but they're not cheap. Gotta shoot it in the toe beans. Okay, yeah, we can go back to the old one, guy. And the little tootsies.
Cover me!
Oh, shit. Oh, what the? Rude? Great. Oh, shoot me. Shoot his little tootsie boots. Little feety bullets.
I need ammo!
Oh, shit. Ow. What's happening?
Watch my back!
No. None of that now. Shit. I am infected. Great. Shoot him in the feet! Stop shooting him in the face! Get his feet! Stop coughing, you little weenie bitch! Oh my god! I hate infection. It is the worst. Thank you. Would you shoot him in the fucking feet? Thank you. Thank you for doing exactly what I said to do.
Still standing! Got all my parts? I call that a win! Next ball.
I don't know if we can travel back here though. Don't we need a big one to travel back here? Yeah, I need to go exactly to. We need to get a big one to travel. Oh, what the? Huh. Okay. Yeah, sure, I'll investigate the tower. This must be the labyrinth, huh? Oh. Well, that was cool. As a real life person, I don't think I would ever try any of this. This seems like terrifying. Like, think about it.
Cracks in the walls grow every day, surrounding me.
Hello?
Human, the core is rotten. The root corrupts everything. Why do you distract the Keeper? Insignificant. Chance of success negligible. The Guardians are destroyed. The Devourer lurks unchecked. The Labyrinth erodes daily. And I can behold the tide. On the other hand, your journey is not guaranteed to fail. The Labyrinth holds all doors and infinite possibilities. If the path you require exists, it lies within.
What the hell? What is this cryptic?
This is the maximum help I can provide at the moment. All endeavors will fail if I do any more.
Uh-huh. Just like those who know their own fate are doomed to secure it or whatever. Hey, big crystal, we can go back now. Hey, the Keeper's Blessing! What does that do for me? Elemental resistance? Nice! Need that HP though. Alrighty, let us travel to the Mudtooth's hideout. Wait, which... this way? Huh. Gives you extra health and stamina for an hour, even if you die? That actually sounds really good. What's this way? Hello? Oh, this is trippy. Where am I going? Huh, purple thingy? Did I go the wrong way? I went the wrong way. I don't know where this purple thingy goes. You know what? I'm gonna stick close to Mog. They probably know better than I do where we're going. Oh, there you are. There's a plot book over here? Where? Hello, live out. Alright. Well, that took forever. Had a lot of interesting tidbits in there. Where did you end up? Oh, up there. Oh, no! Right, so you can actually run faster than stairs.
I did not expect... You? You are not he. Yet you have opened the gates. A second Nui? It must be... Forgive my confusion, unheralded one. Speaker of the Word. Herald of the Guardian. Yet I thought... Are you not Nui? Yet, they opened the gates. Only the Nui can... Could it be? Is it time? Your sublime feet honor the sands of the eastern wind, itinerant one. Whatever your purpose, we are blessed by your presence. Surely there are none like you, inimitable one. At least, I have never seen your like. I know none of that name or description. There is one who might know, but he is not one to give information willingly. Except, perhaps, to another Nui.
Man, none of these options are real good.
Yes, yes. Perhaps you are the one after all. You seek Aslan, the Undying King.
Oh,
But
from the
I
story!
warn you, challenging him will not be easy. Take caution. He rules from the Citadel, in the canyons beyond the Black Sun Gate. The gate has been sealed since time forgotten. Oh, but no doubt you will find a way, Dynamic One. Like all Akari, I am only eager to see the Guardian restored and the planet reborn. O discerning one, it is my joy then, my great honor, to help you find the Nui who was alive when said Guardian fell. Go well, enlightened one.
So, I don't know if I'm going to keep all of that journal in. It was a lot of reading, took up a lot of time, and I can just sum it up real quick for the video. Basically, Grandpa of the lady we met when we first dropped in came looking for a solution to the root, found this place, helped start a revolution, and through his searching fell out of favor with his family. They started to resent him for looking for a solution rather than staying home. But he found out that the root are a hive mind and started searching for the source to get rid of it once and for all. Unfortunately, in doing so, he got exiled and spent the rest of his life out here, basically, away from his family. Damn. Ooh, I got climber! Oh, you're a big boy. Show off! Oh, ew! Rude! I call him rude and I'm the one coming into their home murdering all of them. hello. I'll take that, thank you. Missed. There we go. Oh, hello. Mog has it. Yeah, Mog has it. She got the thingy with all the loot. Already got this one. Alright. Shoopty! And this way now. I know there's something to the north. You should be healing over time, by the way. Oh yeah, a little bit. There's a little movement. I saw it. A little tick.
Running low!
Whoa, hey! Nice to meet you. Big guy. Nope. Guys, too many guys. Oh no, not the dogs! I don't like shooting the dogs! I don't want it. I don't want it. Nice. I appreciate your healing. Probably have, yeah, 2 tree points. Get it. How'd you do that? Tell me your ways. Show me the secrets of the murder hobo. I don't know. Man, it feels like there's something up there. Can I go up? Is there stairs? Not here. Around back, maybe? Oop. Nope, there is no back. Cool. Feels like I can go up there, though. Oh, maybe not. I guess not. This place! This is where I found it. Hold on, Monk. Oh, hey! Okay, so not that one. Hello? Not that one? This one? No, what are you doing? Okay, this one. What? Hold on. Do you want to not step on the buttons? Oh yeah, that way.
Now what?
An ammo.
Cover me!
wish there was a way to tell which way to go. Almost. And this way? That way.
Chop off!
It's like the world's worst game of Simon Says. Hey, you did it! There it is. Maybe I did do it? Did I mess it up? Alright, trying again. That wasn't it. Was it this one? Obviously up. Was it this way? Nope. Okay, so it was up.
Chop off!
Did you step on a button, or did I just mess up? Ow. Knock it off.
Nothing left!
I am. Oh, jeez. Almost completely out of ammo. Thank you. I'm gonna grab some of this.
Damn, is it over?
Get some of that. What am I doing wrong? Alrighty. He's up, right? Again up? Left? Oh, okay, so it's all the way up and then right.
Now what?
Alrighty. Did I do it? Hey, I did it! Yes! Finally! God, that was annoying. Gonna have to cut most of that out. Alright, well, I already have it, so don't need to get it again. Ah, time for a set.